Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Viewers, so let's start today's video. Friends, viewers, candle and pink on centerpiece. Place 3 candles in the middle of the table. Add pink on small ornaments and a little fake snow around them. Your table will look cozy and festive. As your centerpiece, fill a jar with fairy lights. Add small red berries and green leaves inside. Friends, simple and inside, tie a ribbon around the jar. It's make a simple and beautiful Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, and mini Christmas village. Creative a mini Christmas village with a tiny house and tree. Add cotton for snow and fairy lights for glowing effects. This make your table look dreamy. Fresh green centerpiece. Use fresh beans branches on the table. Add red berries, cinnamon stick and golden bells. It's more amazing and look natural. Friends, and